Welcome to our class, guys. Hello, my name is Shivani. I am your Hindi tutor. Today we will do the second part of Mera Parichya or my introduction, and this is the full summary of today's class which is on the screen. So let's start without any delay. Guys, I have also written these sentences in Hindi. You guys have to take a look at this, okay? So that you people start recognizing Hindi words. Friends, here I have written every single word and its explanation in Hindi so that you can become better acquainted with the words of Hindi. But here I will not explain these words because I do not want to confuse you, but you must read it once. Here I will say only these sentences, and whenever I speak in Hindi, you people have to speak after me. Sentence number 1. I am 26 years old. मैं 26 साल की हूँ. मैं 26 साल का हूँ. If you are a female speaker, then use की, and if you are a male speaker, then use का. Once again, speak after me. मैं 26 साल की हूँ. मैं 26 साल का हूँ. Sentence number 2. My father name is dash. मेरे पिताजी का नाम डैश है. मेरे पिताजी का नाम डैश है. Here you have to use your father name. We use G here for respect. Whenever we address someone older than us, we use G with his, her name to express respect for that person. Example, Pitaji, Father Ji, Mamma Ji. Okay? Sentence number 3. I am a YouTuber, or your profession name. Friends, whenever you do not know Hindi of any words, then you can say that word in English, because the use of English words in Hindi sentences is very common in India. So, I am a YouTuber. मैं एक यूट्यूबर हूँ. और मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. और मैं एक टीचर हूँ. ओके. सेंटेंस नंबर 4. माय फेवरेट कलर इज़ ग्रे. मेरा पसंदीदा रंग स्लेटी है. मेरा पसंदीदा रंग स्लेटी है. Once again, you can use your choice here in English also. Okay? Like, मेरा पसंदीदा रंग ब्लैक है. मेरा पसंदीदा रंग ऑरेंज है. Sentence number 5. I have 5 members in my family. मेरे घर में 5 सदस्य हैं. मेरे घर में 5 सदस्य हैं. मेरे घर में 5 सदस्य हैं. We can use 5 or 6, 7 or 8 or anything that suits you here. Okay? Because English words in Hindi sentences are so much common in India. You can easily use it. मेरे घर में 5 सदस्य हैं. Okay friends, so now we have to take a brief review of the whole class or revision. Revision. मेरा परिचय पार्ट 2 और पुनरावृत्ति भाग 2. Here we use Punravritti for revision and part 2 for Bhag 2. Speak after me 2 or 3 times. मैं 26 साल की हूँ. मैं 26 साल का हूँ. मेरे पिताजी का नाम डैश है. मेरे पिताजी का नाम डैश है. मैं एक यूट्यूबर हूँ. मैं एक यूट्यूबर हूँ. मेरा पसंदीदा रंग स्लेटी है. मेरा पसंदीदा रंग स्लेटी है. मेरे घर में 5 सदस्य हैं. मेरे घर में 5 सदस्य हैं. So friends, this was today's class. Hope I have been able to explain my point to you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I need your support a lot. And don't forget to like, share and comment because it increases my courage. Hope you will stay with me in future also. Bye-bye and don't forget to practice because my students are the most laborious person of the whole world. I love you all.